I'm ready to help you kick off the last part of this video course. In this part, you're going to learn how to set up a website with Kitura. By now, you've set up both a server and a mobile app in Swift. You used Kitura to get the server running, and the mobile app uses a framework called KituraKit to make communication between the two really easy. But not everyone in your target audience has an iPhone. This is where the skills that you learn in this section will come in handy. I'm going to show you how you can set up a route in Kitura that will serve up a website, and how you can serve up static resources like images and style guides, all from the same server you're familiar with. I'm going to show you how to use a tool called Stencil, which will help you template HTML on your website by passing a context from your Swift router. This means that you can write your HTML in such a way that it will look like a custom-made website driven by the data you give to it. Think of it like a UI table view or a UI collection view, but with Swift and HTML. We're going to warm up first with a quick lesson on how Stencil works. After that, you'll dive right in and make your first web page with Kitura. This should be a lot of fun, so let's get right into it.